is the ornamental plant species. Here you see the plant which I have selected to discuss today. This is the ornamental, very beautiful plant species, and basically it is called as in local language Surai palm. In English, it is called as elephant foots or ponytail palm. Although this plant does not belong to family Palmaceae, this plant belongs to family Asparagaceae. The students of botany know that asparagus is a plant species, and that is the family of this plant also Asparagaceae, not Palmaceae. Although this is called as Surai palm, and in English it is called as elephant foot. Here you see the structure, this base of the tree trunk is like the elephant foot, and it is also called as scadex. Scadex means a swollen structure, and basically this stores a huge water and other minerals. And this is base of the tree trunk, and this is the tree trunk which grows sometime up to 20 feet. That is another plant growing. You see, please camera on that side. You see that is more than 20 feet in height. The plant grows very slowly. This palm grows very slowly, and nowadays this is in flowering. You see the creamy flowers of this plant. So that is why I was very much interested to introduce this plant to you. As the plant grows, the lower leaves get older and they are shed, and this plant grows upward. And basically, this plant is ornamental plant species, and the origin of this plant is Mexico. Mexico से ये जो है बाकी दुनिया में ये फैला है. In Mexico, this is a wild species, but in the world now it is in cultivated form. This plant likes full sunlight and rainy soil. पानी खड़ा ना होता हो, ड्रेनेज हो, और जो इसकी जो है बड़ी पिटी हम कह सकते हैं. The characteristic is that this plant propagates only by seed. No vegetative propagation has been reported in this plant species, and commercially this is ornamental plant species, and character wise this is non-toxic to animals. No toxicity has been reported. So this was the plant. The botanical name I forgot to tell you, that Bicarnia recurvata. Bicarnia recurvata, and family is Asparagaceae. And the distinguishing character is this swollen base like the elephant foot. This is the scadex. It is also called as scadex, and creamy flowers. So this was the plant species, ornamental plant species, and the plant. The site where we are standing is the lawn in front of the VC office of Zara University. Very beautiful lawn. Please camera on that side. This is the beautiful lawn, and these two plant species are growing in front of the VC office in the lawn. So thank you very much. Thank you.